So my name's Claire. I'm a mobile massage therapist based in the north of England, and I'm going to talk to you today about my new Porta-lite Delta 2. So I recently purchased this massage couch to do my Swedish massage, Ayurvedic body massage, and also Indian head massage. Actually, I initially purchased a different, heavier bed from Massage Warehouse because I felt the wooden legs of that bed were more in keeping with the kind of therapy that I did. But I just struggled to lift and carry it, so I switched to this Porta-lite Delta 2, which is much lighter. So it means that I'm now able to lift my massage couch in and out of the car much more easily, and even up flights of stairs in the houses of my clients as well. So that's the main feature that attracted me to this bed, was the weight of the overall item. You've probably seen on other reviews as well, a lot of people have mentioned the other features, such as the very comfortable upholstery, the ease of which with which you can adjust the legs very quickly and easily, and also it comes with a carry case, which is a really useful item. So yeah, overall I'm really happy with the bed. Another feature is the adjustable headrest. And I just want to show that it is quite easy to adjust it. There's a lever on the side here which allows you to move the angle of the headrest, and also you can just remove it quite easily as well, and just slip it away, which I do for my Indian head massage, because I prefer to have the client's head resting on the solid couch for that part of the treatment. So I went to Massage Warehouse because there was a lot of good information on the website. It seemed a very professional organisation, and I liked that the salespeople were all therapists themselves. There is a lot of choice, which can be a little bit overwhelming, but when I telephoned the helpline at Massage Warehouse, the staff were very helpful and able to offer advice which was suitable for myself and my own needs. And they were also very helpful when I needed to return the heavier bed. So yeah, overall I'm really happy, and I'm looking forward to doing lots of treatments on my new Porta-lite Delta 2. Thank you.